What can I do to retrieve windows that have gone off screen? I'm having a weird issue with a machine where sometimes when a window is initialized, it will shoot off screen and out of sight. I am unable to click on it to drag it back to sight. Are there any programs or fixes for this in Windows XP? I know Windows and other programs like to save window locations after they close, so when you reopen them they are in the spot where they were closed, and I cannot see any of these windows that were closed off screen.
Highlight in the taskbar, hit Alt plus space then M. That will get it ready to move. Then use your arrow keys to move it and hit Enter when finished. Try holding the Shift key while closing. That often saves the location.
I have a geeky solution smile script in Python that goes through all off-screen windows and offers moving them to the left upper corner. You need Python and Win32 all.
In Windows 7 you can select the window and then Win plus arrow keys to move it.
You can also right-click on the taskbar and choose one of the window arranging menu choices. In Windows 7, they are Cascade Windows, Show Windows Stack, Show Windows Side by Side. Previous versions used slightly different terms, but did the same thing. Some versions will only arrange non-minimized windows/applications, if I recall correctly.
I fjor vant oss opp på det der kanel, for jeg har sett sånn skilles opp streaming.